Welcome to this video on three-phase power connections. We will explore the mastery of star and delta networks, examining their fundamental properties, voltage, and current relationships. A three-phase alternator generates power using three distinct coils displaced by 120 degrees. While keeping them separate would require 6 wires, interconnecting them reduces the required wires and provides a constant power flow. There are two fundamental architectures in three-phase systems, the star, or Y, connection and the delta, or mesh, connection. Each configuration serves different purposes in power distribution. In a star connection, three similar ends connect to a common point, creating a neutral point. A key data point for this configuration is that the line current equals the phase current. Regarding voltage dynamics in a star connection, the line voltage is root 3 times the phase voltage. In the delta connection, dissimilar ends connect to form a closed loop, resulting in no neutral point. Here, the line voltage equals the phase voltage. For delta current dynamics, the line current is root 3 times the phase current. This diagnostic matrix summarizes the key differences between star and delta systems, including their voltage and current relationships, the presence of a neutral point, and their primary use cases. Despite the differences in connections, the total power remains identical in balanced systems. The formula for power in a three-phase system is shown here. Complex lattice structures and bridge networks cannot be simplified by basic series or parallel rules. In these cases, we must alter the network topology. We can achieve electrical equivalence by converting a network, ensuring that the resistance between any two corresponding terminals remains exactly the same. For a delta to star conversion, any arm of the star connection equals the product of the two adjacent delta arms, divided by the sum of all delta arms. Conversely, for star to delta conversion, the resistance between two delta terminals equals the sum of the connected star resistors plus their product divided by the third star resistor. The star connection offers a dual voltage advantage. A single transformer can deliver 400 volts for heavy industrial machinery while providing 230 volts for residential lighting. From manipulating polyphase power grids to solving sub-circuit lattice networks, star and delta principles are essential to governing electrical flow.